Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection, you see the beautiful centerpieces ideas for the Easter centerpieces ideas, Easter beautiful amazing collection. So guys, don't miss the chance to avail and adopt the designs, beautiful and amazing collection, Dollar Tree ideas. And if you like my channel, that is the top ideas of Easter and amazing collection, not the repeated and not the old design. All are so stunning, so adorable. So guys, please support to my YouTube channel, that is the Easy Craft Videos, one of the best channel that provides you outstanding widths design, outstanding centerpieces, and how to decor your table on Easter. So guys, thank you so much to watch my videos on daily basis, centerpieces of Easter ideas with the candle decor and amazing collection, and hope you like my videos on daily basis. Keep watching.